Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, a space about mindful living, general well-being and hearty food. In today's video we are going to be making two pumpkin breakfast recipes. One is pumpkin porridge and the other one is pumpkin pancakes. Both of these recipes are delicious, satisfying and healthy. I really hope you enjoy them. Okay, so get yourself a saucepan and put 1 cup of oats. In this case I'm using gluten-free, as well as 1.5 cups of your preferred milk. In this case I'm using cashew milk. Now 3 tablespoons of the pumpkin puree, as well as 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, and just give it a good mix. Once it's nearly done, make sure that you add a pinch of nutmeg, as well as some margarine or butter, whichever one you prefer, and give it a good mix. Once it's ready, just dish it up and just top it up with whatever toppings you prefer or you have available. In this case, I opted for some blueberries, some fresh raspberries, some poppy seeds just to give it contrast, as well as some almond flakes, pine nuts, pistachios, and why not a good drizzle of syrup. Enjoy. To make our pumpkin pancakes, we are going to start by putting the kettle to boil. And now in a clean jar, just put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 4 tablespoons of water and just let it sit. Now in a clean bowl, put some dry goji berries and pour some of that boiling water. Make sure that you reserve some of that hot water in case you want to make yourself a nice hot drink later. Now, in a food processor, add the chia gel, which is the egg replacer, as well as 1 cup of cell-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of the pumpkin puree, and half a cup of nut milk. Now use some of those leftovers, if you have any, from making your own milk, and blend it all up. You may need to add a little bit more milk, and if you do, just add it now, as well as some peanut powder if you have any. It gives it a very nice taste. Now in a saucepan, put some coconut oil and start making the pancakes. You may need some help with the back of the spoon in order to flatten them up. Now this recipe will make about 7 of these mini pancakes, but they are very filling. And once they are done, it's time to assemble them. I put some nut butter on them, as well as now the drained, hydrated goji berries. As well as some poppy seeds, some pine nuts, some pecan nuts, and some nice blueberries. You can put a drizzle of syrup at the end if you like. Make sure you do have yourself some time to make a nice cup of coffee or tea and enjoy your pancakes. Alright, so I really hope that you like this video, and if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. I am Karenina, and until my next video, stay strong, healthy and happy. Pumpkin pie. And the other one is pumpkin pie. And the other one is pumpkin pie. And the other one is pumpkin pie.